Okay, so the first thing you've done is you have the sheet music in front of you, and we're just going to start by kind of learning the song. And so first we sing out the phrases, and in numbered notes, the phrases are broken up per row so you can see each phrase, and then we sing the lyrics, and then we'll sing the numbers. Okay, and then that way you learn the tune of the song, you kind of learn where things are, and then eventually you learn the numbers, and then you play those on the keyboard. Okay, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear, your name. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so that's us just singing through the lyrics. Now let's try singing the numbers. 113 165 113 186 111 10 6 5 3 11 11 10 6 8 6. Okay, so then you would follow up by trying to actually play those numbers on your keyboard. And on the song keyboard diagram here, you can see that any number with a oval around it means that's where you're going to play. So these are the notes that are in the song. There's a 1 in the song, there's a 3, a 5, a 6, an 8, a 10, an 11, and then this high 1 up here. And we know that this 1, which is this guy right here, has a octave line to the right of it, so it's 1 octave up. And that's why it's this 1 up here and not this one here. So again, you can use those octave lines to tell how high or low a note is. All the other notes with no octave lines are in the middle octave, and you can see that in the song. All right, go ahead and try playing it out, use the numbers, and good luck.